there, amazing learners, and welcome back to English Cartoon Fun Play. I'm your host, and I'm so excited to dive into another fun and fascinating lesson with you today. You know, sometimes the smallest things in English can have the biggest impact, and that's exactly what we're going to explore. Have you ever noticed how just one letter can change the whole sound and meaning of a word? Well, today, we're going to unlock the secrets of one of the most versatile and, dare I say, amazing letters in the English alphabet, the letter E.
E is for elephant, it sounds
Letter E got into a chicken coop. Help the letter E collect eggs. Drag the eggs to the basket. Tap on a chicken to pet it. Done! E, egg. The letter got dirty. First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the letter with a towel. Trace the letter. Good! The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Cool! Put the letter in its place. Without your help, we couldn't have done it. Clean the word. E, egg. Take a nut for the squirrel. Choose a vehicle for the squirrel. Hold your finger to the screen for the squirrel to move forward. Collect letters to get a nut. him. You've earned a nut for the squirrel.
That's right. Today we're going to learn all about the letter E. We'll explore its different sounds, discover how to write it, and uncover some super interesting facts along the way. By the end of this episode, you'll be an E expert, ready to impress everyone with your new phonics skills. So grab your imaginary pencils, open your ears, and let's get started on this exciting learning adventure. A short, playful jingle. All right, let's jump right into the heart of our lesson, the sounds of the letter E. Now, you might think E is just E, right? But oh, my friends, it's so much more. The letter E is a bit of a chameleon. It can change its sound depending on where it is in a word and what letters are around it. First up, we have the short E sound. This is the sound you hear in words like bed, red, and egg. Can you hear it? It's a quick, clear eh sound. Think of it like you're saying eh when you're a little confused. Let's try it together. B-e-d, r-e-d, egg. Excellent. This is a very common sound, and it's one of the first you'll encounter when learning English. Pause. Next, we have the long E sound. This is a longer, clearer E sound, like what you hear at the beginning of the word eat, or in words like tree and green. Notice how your mouth forms a little smile when you say it? Tree, green. Sometimes two E's together make this sound, like in B or C. But sometimes a single E at the end of a word can also make this sound, especially when it's part of a digraph, like EA in tea, or EE, as we just discussed. Isn't that fascinating?
Egg. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Let's make a road. Wow! E is for elephant. Beep beep. Let's trace the letter E. E is for elephant.